Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to share location on Google Maps. So select your location from here. Now you can see there are so many options. You have to swipe it and go for in this share option. Okay, then you can share it with mails and your messages, your messenger chats, and you can copy it and share it and go for more. And you can get more options from here and you can share it by it. So this is how you can share locations on Google Maps. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.